Hi guys, my name is Yelena and welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you very much for continue to watching it. I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. That will mean a world to me. It's helped me to gain more subscribers. It just will be funner if there is more of us here, and I think I will really like that and hope you will too. Today I'm just going home crazy. That's everybody just sitting home and trying not to get outside. And me and my husband have a very big sweet tooth. So we're kind of going nuts. So I decided why not to bake something, and I just had in mind, let's just do some simple cookies. And it's a very simple recipe, but they're always a hit on our house. The kids love them. They store very well too, and it's just really foolproof recipe. All you need for that is a box mix. I use today, it's Duncan Hines yellow cake mix. You need 1 block of cream cheese, and this is just regular from the grocery store. Don't buy the reduced fat, just get the original one. So 1 package of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter. I use unsalted one because I'm not used to use salted butter in the baking recipes. To me it's kind of weird. I always use unsalted, and I'll just add salt if I need to my taste in the recipe. But you can use salted one too if that's what you used to. So 1 stick of butter and 1 egg. That's it, and I kind of like to add a little splash of vanilla. Okay, so first thing first, let's go ahead and mix our cream cheese. Butter. An egg. Splash vanilla. Like a half a teaspoon. Okay. And let's mix it all up till creamy. Okay, so that's our consistency. Nice and creamy. Okay. So I'm gonna put it back in. And now put entire package of cake mix inside. Now mix on the lowest speed of your mixer very carefully so you don't get all the cloud of the dust come out. So very carefully mix until all incorporated. It will be thick, but it's gonna be okay. Okay, now it's all mixed in. Let's go ahead and scrape it off our attachment. Back in the bowl. So you don't waste any of this goodness. Okay. See, so it's pretty thick. Now I'll take a couple trays, and I usually line them with parchment paper. You can do wax paper too. I personally don't like wax paper because it smells when you bake on it, and it just little feel of it. I just don't like it. I like parchment, so parchment paper. Then I put a little powdered sugar on a plate. I'm gonna take a little glove because I don't like to be messy. And you will need plain ice cream scoop. Okay? So go ahead and dip in a bowl, fill the scoop, run it over the edge of your pan, of your mixing bowl, so it's flash, see? And then you just scoop it out on the powdered sugar. Then you roll it very good, like so, and put it on the tray, okay? So go ahead, continue to doing that for the rest of the dough, spacing them probably about a couple inches apart so they don't come together after you bake them. Okay? So at this moment, if you want to freeze some of this, this is the last step will be for you. So go ahead and take those cookies right on a tray and pop them in the freezer for a couple hours until they freeze well. So then after they all set, you can put them in a freezer safe bag or freezer safe container and just keep them in the freezer. And when you take them out in the freezer, when you're ready to bake them, you can roll them one more time in powdered sugar and just pop them in the oven. You may will have to increase baking time about a minute or two. Just keep an eye on them, but that's pretty much it. They're pretty much straightforward. So I'm gonna bake them all off, and at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes or longer if you need it. So just make sure you know how your oven bakes. If your oven on a low degree, kind of not calibrated, so you don't know, just keep an eye on them to see so they don't brown too much, unless you like them be more on the crunchy side. If you want them be more on the gooey side, just keep them kind of nice pale color. But what we're gonna look for is they will spread a little bit and they will start cracking on top, and you will see it. You can miss that step. They'll be very cracky and powdered sugar will spread a little bit. It will be very pretty, and then just pull them out. Okay, so we'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, so this is cookies just from the oven. See how puffy they are? But if you push on them, they're like so delicate. See? If you push on a cookie, they're very delicate. Watch. but they still light in color. And you can see the edges just started to turn a little bit brown. So that's what we're looking for. So let them cool completely. They will go flat and see what they look like. All right, well, they almost cool off right now. I just can't wait. I just want to try it. See, so they look like this. And oh, so gooey. All right. So I hope you give it a shot. It's a very easy cookie, just 4 ingredients. And everybody loves it. For kids, if you like, you can just put sprinkles inside. They'll make it like confetti or funfetti cookies. If you like more powdered sugar on top, you can sprinkle more sugar on them right now and wait till they completely cool off. But that should do it. Thank you everybody for coming check out my new video. And please subscribe to my channel and put me thumbs up and share this recipe with everybody, and hopefully they will like that too. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.